Avoid impulse buying, a smart shopper's guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for not only improving your English but also enhancing your financial well-being. Avoiding impulse buying. This concept is crucial in managing personal finances and making thoughtful decisions. So, if you're ready to become a smarter shopper, stay with us as we explore how to resist the urge to make unplanned purchases. Impulse buying refers to the action of purchasing items on the spur of the moment, without prior planning or consideration. These purchases are often driven by emotions rather than needs. Imagine walking through a store or browsing online, and you see something that catches your eye. Even though you didn't plan to buy it, you end up making the purchase because it feels good at the moment. That's impulse buying. Avoiding impulse buying is important for several reasons. Firstly, it helps you save money. Money spent on unplanned purchases could be used for essential items or saved for future needs. Secondly, it encourages better financial planning and budgeting. When you avoid impulse purchases, you stick to your budget and make more thoughtful decisions about how to use your money. Lastly, it reduces buyer's remorse, the feeling of regret after making a purchase. Here are some effective strategies to help you avoid impulse buying. 1. Wait 24 to 48 hours before making a purchase. This waiting period allows you to consider if you really need the item or if it was just a momentary desire. 2. Create a shopping list and stick to it. This helps you focus on purchasing only what you need. 3. Set a budget for discretionary spending. This limits the amount you can spend on non-essential items. 4. Ask yourself critical questions before buying. Do I need this? Can I afford it? Do I have something similar? 5. Avoid shopping as a form of entertainment. Try to find other activities to do when you're bored or stressed. Thank you for watching. We hope this video sheds light on the importance of avoiding impulse buying and equips you with strategies to become a more mindful shopper. By applying these tips, you'll not only improve your financial health but also your decision-making skills in various aspects of life. Remember, being aware of your purchasing habits is the first step toward change. See you in the next video.